am not feeling 100% in myself. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm at the hospital once again to see the physiotherapist, but guys, it's healing pretty fine. As you can see, it's healing properly. What I'm concerned about is the strength and movement in my hand. My hand is still weak, but as time goes by, I know it will get better, and hopefully today I will feel much better. I am not feeling 100% in myself, and I know exactly why. I'm getting homesick again. I had this feeling before, and I think it's coming on again, where I feel down. I feel like I can't do anything, and it's all because I'm missing my mom and dad, family and friends. If I just go back to Jamaica for a month or so and just get into the feeling of belonging in this country, I don't like staying in this country, but I have to do it because my son, he was born here. But guys, I am not happy. I am not happy. This country coming like one cold, burden down place. People not happy over here. Everybody looks sad and miserable, and I'm not a sad and miserable person. For me to stay in this country, me think me I go mad. I mean, I really want to go back to Jamaica mad, because I'm not so righted already. So that's what's going on with me at the moment. Basically, I just have to put myself together and just make the best of it until I'm ready to go home. So I'm gonna go in now to the physiotherapist. He's down that side. I'm gonna squeeze up my hand today. I know me I going in some terrible pain, but he has to do what he has to do. It's his job. If he don't make my hand get better, then I'm gonna always be in pain, and the surgery just gonna be a waste of time. So the physiotherapist, he has to do what he has to do. So I'm gonna make my way now. Another session with the physiotherapist. So my appointment is complete, and now I'm going home. I didn't record inside the physiotherapist session because I wasn't feeling, my spirit was down, to say. We Jamaican, we say our spirit was down. I wasn't feeling 100, so I didn't bother record anything because I'm just getting tired now of this thing with my hand, and I just want to get back to, I want everything to get back to normal, I should say. So that's why I didn't record inside. Now I'm gonna head home, and the good thing is everything is normal. What I'm feeling with the sensation, it's normal. They said it's the healing process, and that's the reason why things feel like the way it's feeling. Burning sensation, and for me to put it in cold water, which make it feel much better. They said that's normal, so I'm happy with that. I'm gonna make my way home now. is not right. I'm going home, and this don't look like it'll carry me home. They say me I go home. But I'm here, the mad somebody because the people them Tam I carry me home. And me feel like Tam now carry me home. Yes. See, light come back on, everything can't bother. So sometimes I'm always thinking the worst when things is not that bad. So that's just me, bad on my part. But everything went pretty well. I was feeling down and lonely, you know. I'm feeling homesick. I miss my mom. I really miss my mother. And my dad and my brother, my cousins. I'm just feeling down. But I need to just regain myself. Brush off my little self. I'm a big girl panty. And just do what I have to do, you know. It's not that bad, Lisa. But everything is okay. I think I need to literally go back to work. If I go back to work, then I will feel much fulfilling in myself, you know, purpose. I'm feeling helpless at the moment. I need to do is just pick myself up and just do what I have to do. It's not that bad, Lisa. Yes. At least I get time to express myself with you guys. Don't mind my eyes being red at the moment. It's just red because my eyes just red because I was crying. But don't need to cry, Lisa. All is well. God is on your side. You know me, God bless Pitney. God always bless me, you know, always find a way for me come through any problem when me have. Today my boss came and looked for me because she's saying, Lisa, you need to come work because if you stay home, you're going to feel stressed and depressed, which is right because I do feel like that. I feel down, and I think I'm feeling down because I'm not used to staying home. So that's the reason why. Yes. It's not that bad. It's something I can get over. And I just have to work on my exercise. I think I'm gonna start going gym with my son. Because you know my son is into fitness, you know. So I think I will go gym with Dina today. Really miss home. That's my thing. I miss home. I miss my mom. I'm feeling lonely in this country. You feel lonely. Feeling down. I'm feeling lonely. I'm feeling down. Feeling lonely. I'm feeling down. I have to go back home. We can't do this. We can't stay home at all. Me feel like me I go mad. July, August, September, October, November, December. October. My birthday is coming up. And I understand how some people, they are foreign and I make it look like say it easy. It's not easy. Foreign, not easy. So no make nobody tell you no say it easy. Here, me I tell you know what it is. You have to pay a whole heap of bills. Even if you're sick, them no business, them want them bills pay. And you have to pay. That me I tell you no. People wanna see the shard. Can see a little sunset. Close to the shard. There's a sunset. Close to the shard. Thank you, Lord, for taking me and bringing me back safe. I just wanna say thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me.
This is real life and we're all humans and things do happen to us, bad and good. Whenever we feel sad, lonely and depressed, unhappy, we need to just stop for a moment, stop thinking about all the negativities in our life and start thinking positive thinking. Try and live in love, peace and unity. If you ever feel down and lonely, try and reach out to someone that you can talk to. And guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.